ka onwe ike bịa soro anyị kparịa ya bụ ụka anyị na ha eche. Esokwa ya ma ị ga-ahụ na o bugo ụzọ gaa bido ya bụ mkparịta ụka dịka anyị nọ na-echebiri ya wee na-agwa ndị mmadụ na anyị na ya nwere mkparịta ụka taa. Aha m bụ Chimma Iheanacho. Ọ bụ na ị ka na-esonye anyị ugbu a, ebe ị nọ bụ na BBC News Igbo. Keke unu mee na mgbede a. O nwere ndị mmadụ nka maịtị, biko ha gwa ya sị ya na anyị ebidogo ya bụ mkparịta ụka ebe a maka na otego anyị chebere mkparịta ụka anụ a. O zikwara anyị ozi si anyị ndị mmadụ na ọ ga-esonye anyị. Nsonye ahụ ka anyị na-eche ya ka o nwee ike bịa sonye anyị ugbu a. Keke unu mee. O nwere ihe na-afịa n'obi unu? Na-echefukwa na izitere anyị ozi na ọgbakọ anyị na Facebook, ya bụ na Facebook inbox. Zikwara anyị ozi n'ọgbakọ anyị, ya bụ na Instagram BBC News Igbo inbox. Izitekwara anyị ozi na email anyị bụ bbcnewsigbo2@bbc.co.uk. Anyị na-eche ka Duncan Mighty bata n'ọgbọ ka anyị na ya nwee ike kparịta ụka anụ a dịka anyị na ya kpebiri na mgbede a. Keke unu mee. Echefukwana ịchọta anyị na ọgbakọ anyị, ya bụ webụsaịtị anyị bụ www.bbcigbo.com ma ọ bụ ịchọ na ogologo www.bbc.com/Igbo. Anyị na-eche Egbunike Akụenwebe na-ajụ ihe bụ isiokwu ahụ bụ Duncan Mighty, onye na-eti egwu ama ama. Smith na-ajụ na-ekwu na Onitsha Owerri Road gbabiri n'ụzọ abụọ. Ọ bụ eziokwu, anyị nwekwara ya bụ ihe onyonyo gosiri mgbabi ahụ n'ọgbakọ anyị. Ịchọ ya na Facebook anyị, ị ga-ahụ ya ebe ahụ. Ịchọkwa ya na Instagram anyị, ị ga-ahụ ya. Anyị tinyere ya bụ ihe onyonyo igosi ndị mmadụ etu ụzọ a si wee gbabie ụzọ abụọ. Biko kpọtụrụ na Duncan Mighty gwa ya n'ebe a ka ekwe na-akụ, maka na ka anyị na-ekwu okwu kịta nụ ọ nọ live n'ọgbakọ nke ya wee na-agwa ndị mmadụ na ya na BBC Igbo ga-aga live. BBC Igbo agagokwa live n'ọzi Duncan Mighty ka anyị na-eche ka o nwee ike mata n'ebe a ka ọ kwesịrị ịnọ, maka na anyị na ya akpagbugo ya mbụ. Ndewo Duncan Mighty. Anya gị o tekwala.
Obere ihe. Olee otu olu mere?
Anyị dị mma. Ndị mmadụ na-eche gị kemgbe. Ugbu ị batara, kelere anyị ndị Igbo ma gwakwa ha ihe mere ebe ị nọ kemgbe ha na-eche gị.
Ndị Igbo mmadụ afọ m bụ Duncan Mighty. Awụwa Jizọs. Alọbụ m Jizọs to the boys. Awụkwa mazụ ite. Check the black. Awụkwa mazụ ite. I will just stay in now. Ndị ọbụla ana m ekele onye ọbụla, ndị BBC Igbo unu daalụ. Afọ m bụ Duncan Mighty. Ọ bụ onye Ikwere, onye Port Harcourt. Mma m nke ukwu onye Arochukwu. So awụkwa m nwa afọ Igbo, confirm one, you know. So people Igbo ukwu ofu. I hope you guys know that. And I'm so happy, man. I'm so small local grammar, you know, because
ọ dị mma. Isi ihe weliwe n'isurutu bekee gị surutu Igbo. Ọ dị mma ebe ị na-asụ dị Igbo. Ọ ka mma na ụfọdụ ndị chọrọ ị na-anụ asụsụ ị na-asụ ka ha nụ na ịwụ nwa afọ na-asụkwa Igbo. Ị nwere ike ịgwa anyị ezigbo aha gị maka onye ọbụla ma gị dịka Duncan Mighty. Aha bụ Duncan ka nke o ji awụ Mighty.
Enwebeghị m stage name before. Ezigbo aha m Duncan Mighty. Ndị nọ na this life, any onye ọbụla mara m even from primary school, I never had a stage name. You know, my father called Mighty Work of God. My granddad was called Duncan. You know, now I'm it took my mother a whole lot, you know, to have a child like me. So, you know, the name has been blessing, has been a blessing. You know, came to so my real name was Duncan Mighty. It wasn't a stage name.
Ọ dị mma. Sector Chukwuemeka Wisdom si na ijuturu gị aha Igbo gị. Ị nwere aha Igbo?
Winnie Mighty na. Winnie na Ikwere wu like any one year game, like a friend closer, stronger than a brother, like
brother,
you know,
okay.
you know. So my
Yeah,
father was only child.
Yeah, bụ nke n'olu Igbo ya bụ nwanne ọ nwanne ka na-akpọ wene ọ nwanne ka na-akpọ wene
but wene although just directly like that, all depends here, you know, yeah, because actually the brother in the what like example of like Itwilu, maybe Anna Twilu say, oh, yeah, like a God sent friend, kind of. Meanwhile, they don't ask about Mika. Wasn't your will? Oh, my man, you must know about you.
Nka gafere n'isi ama m nka ebe mmadụ ewuru meka kotichepu ya
Ama why ndị Igbo a na-anụ asụsụ ndị Igbo. Ama the reason why. Ọ na-adị difficult for ndị Igbo n'ịnụ asụsụ nke anyị. I don't know. And meanwhile, ndị niile nọ na Port Harcourt na-asụcha asụsụ Igbo. But ndị Igbo a na-anụcha ncha atọ. Don't know why.
Ị nwere ike ịkọwara anyị ebe ị nọ too na etu isi too? Ebe ị nọ too nakwa etu isi too.
Okay, I love na Port Harcourt. So, Mambra area so much for years. So, it been different places. Nato, Mambra are bleeding for 18 years. So, so. And maybe other places. Sometimes down on like this, sometimes so. My upbringing was not that. You know, around boy. Make sure you go put one or two. So I know even either. I know Port Harcourt for some time. You know, just living around life because my mom was not, you know, doing well.
Tonight, don't you say I drug Keda Hobody in Aputa?
Okay, Port Harcourt, GRA, the finest city of Rivers State. Yes. I'm not joking. I'm well, but I don't want GRA. I'm on room in me. Okay, the weekest. I won't do room, I won't do the abo.
Mana na if na negi wonya abia kedu ebe negi si na Abia State?
Nne mpa m onye Arochukwu onye Atani na ọdịnke mere compound. And more I'm mentioning ike ha banyere ihe banyere Arochukwu. Nne aga m ekpe m na doses. I'm very, very concerned. Anything they attach to ihe ndị Igbo, I'm very, very interested.
Odimma. Asa jogi mi gara mahadum. Asa jogi mi gara mahadum.
Ole nke a na-agba mahadum?
Mahadum University. Ebe a na-ama ihe dum.
Primary school, Port Harcourt, Army Children's School. That secondary school, Army Secondary School, welcome. I'm going back at the University of Lagos. I'm not even close to a year. Mpama won, my drop for them. Then we came back 2010 when we released the Port Harcourt boy, and I post music. That was after Bible school. Then in J. Switzerland, in Basel. That I was in University of Freiburg, Ibenga, you know, did further education to a level where I've acquired good information that I'm analyzing appropriately today. But I don't want to like issue you off, you know, because to me, education is acquiring information that you'll be able to analyze appropriately, you know, because you can't give somebody what you don't have. And being talented or not being educated is bullshit, because talent is not enough. There must be a steady responsibility with an ability on it. So I know Bali is small, but I give God praise because education, clarifies the fact that in life everything is possible, and most especially when you're a brand, it helps you, protect your image and so many other things that other people would have been there to start doing for you for the fact that they feel that power wrestling education is more better, will protect you. So, So, notwithstanding, I'm an audio engineer, I'm a professional audio engineer, but I wouldn't too much, our MS and MS in acoustic. So, by the grace of God, one day, I got all PhD, I got so I was in Freiburg University between 2011 to 2013, August. And also I was an avid.
Anyị na-anụzikwa ihe na-ekwu ndị mmadụ si gị dozie foonu gị ka ha nwee ike na-ahụ gị na foonu gị na-agụta. So ụfọdụ oge ọ bụrụ naanị ntị gị ka anyị na-ahụ, ụfọdụ oge ọ bụrụ naanị isi gị ka anyị
na-ahụ. Of selfie.
Enweghị ebe ị ga-anọ wee dozie foonu.
Ebe anyị na-ahụ na-eme new studio, na-build the new studio ebe a, so ndị ọrụ ala aga m check ya mee ebe a, so I build the acoustic studio, so I'll just try and nothing is good.
Ekwentị gị ka o nwee ike nọrọ ọfụma. Ị na-anụkwa ihe anyị na-ekwu. Ị ga-abụte oche gị nso ka ebe ahụ idowere ekwentị gị ka o nwee ike nọrọ ka gụwa nọrọ ka ị nọrọ ọfụma ka ịkpa akata.
Hello?
Otu inugbo ọ dị gị mma.
Turn the Bluetooth to use the Bluetooth. Can I add yes?
Otu inugbo ọ dị gị mma. Nọzikwa etu ọ ga-adị gị mma maka na ịma na ị ga-emecha soro anyị, ị ga-agụrụ anyị egwu. So ị ga-anọzi ọfụma dozie ekwentị gị etu ọ ga-esi nọrọ ka ịkpa nkata ọfụma. Ọ dịla m ugbu a, ọ bụ na ọ dịla maka ịkpawakwa. Ị na-anụ ihe m na-ekwu ọfụma? Ọ dị mma. Ka anyị gaa n'ihu. Akpa ego si ka anyị jụọ gị na Wikipedia na-edere Okechukwu n'aha gị na ezigbo aha bụ Okechukwu.
Ezigbo aha, all my father's direct name. My surname was, but my dad, came all half. I just decided to make my surname my father's direct name. So Afaya Okechukwu. Yeah, Afaya, his direct name was Okechukwu. So, my father, he played a major role in my life. Egwu Amnagwe, he inspired me, though he didn't sing to that recording level, but it was everything for me, and so I decided to make sure I don't forget my father in his. So
Duncan
Okechukwu
Mighty.
Duncan Mighty Okechukwu.
Mighty Okechukwu Wene. Ebe Wene dịkwa, ọkịsị na Wene bụ aha nke ikwere gị. Ya bụ Duncan Wene Okechukwu Mighty. Ọ dị mma. Ka anyị gaa n'ihu. A sị anyị jụọ gị, kedu otu isi wee bido zawa Port Harcourt First Son?
Ọwụkwa bụ yere wee Port Harcourt First Son. Throughout that period, they made amnesty newly. So before the amnesty, I was one of those the entertainment Naganime Creek, because one of the things that was a major blessing to my career was that everybody in Naganata loved Duncan Mighty. I need they supported them, most especially the boys in the hood, in the creek. So, and my second manager then, in 2008, after the first album, because the first album was 2008. Yeah, oh my, that's what. So, like in less than two years, I was, the blessing was so much. So, the creek, the boys in the hood, the community, the local area, handling industry. So, I had a guy show na Kula, Kula na name band. So I had a show there. Then only Anapoya commander. So I video poem no more Port Harcourt First, so it's very hard. consign. Normal with Port Harcourt, normal. So when they record my second album, which is Port Harcourt Boy. So my manager now go now. The whole place I'm not my this name. Everybody not born Port Harcourt Boy now. Ego am name like this. You try each channel there, no, because it wasn't like I'm a Port Harcourt boy. No one thinks me. So he was like, everybody in Apogia, and the best name for a man will the one everyone knows and shit for it. So I said, I don't want this thing to affect my brand, but I never knew it was going to be a huge blessing, you know. And I tell everyone that when you're a Port Harcourt professor, I got to make it as a normal Port Harcourt professor. There have been people before me. You know, I have my people to bless them, so I give God praise for that.
Mana kemgbe ịzawara ya ọ na-emepere gị ụzọ ka ihe ndị ọ na-arụrụ gị na ndụ gị.
Chukwu. Nothing to say much, but I will be able to create employment with music. You know, the most important thing now, the mistakes our leaders, especially the politicians, the governors, none of them are invested into multimedia or invested into whatever we export, you know, got creative ability from our own region to the international community. And in Lagos, it will work for you, and it's a mess, it's a shame, you know. So, and I've tried. Abali Galam, but when the governor, but since he be the able manage the stop, so they decided to stop where the stop one. You know, so by the grace of God, TV station in Port Harcourt, it's very popular. Everybody knows that. I know close to like 85%, but Orila more than 500 million. You know, about 4 million is massive. So my idea, all night they waited television. Okay, it can get project in Dekai from east, from south to the international community. You need the Ida Lagos, you need the MTV, you need all this, you know, because if you check it, remember when Channel O was for everybody. At that time, we never had the fame. At that time, one of the national African artists is South Africans. But when we got Trace, Nigeria, MTV, are you getting me? People began to that this is our brand. So it is high time, you know, the only way to make it work for us easily is, you know, placing proper infrastructure, proper development, and you know, but these governors is a road. It's a shameful thing that the governor will be bragging of road, and there are no high-rise building that will enable multinationals come and have headquarters in the Niger Delta. In the whole southeast, there is no infrastructure that will even enable some of these billionaires say, okay, I got my business. So at the end of the day, endorsement they had. At the end of the day, so many enablements are hard for our people to get it. Because I got to get that headquarters. So some of us were able to, you know, succeed by God's mercy. For me, is because it made them album launch before, it made them sponsored before, it made them so many kind of things, but God has been always faithful for me. So I just believe that the only way to beat a man's record is not by, you know, abusing him or whatever. So dispute his theory. So I decided to stop to them. I decided to stop talking to them. I say, God, take glory. And it's been 4 years now putting up that edifice. I'll show it to you. And by the grace of God, we're coming out with an amazing output. You know, I believe in no way actually again.
Odima, I get Mechabiana. Okwu Chineke anyị na-ekwu maka na ọ dị ka ikpe ya Chineke nke ọma, anyị ga-emecha bịa n'okwu a. Mana ka m jụọ gị ajụjụ afọ na jụọ gị, kedu ihe iche maka etu ndị dịka Burna Boy, Timaya, Omale nakwa ndị otu egwu ndị ọzọ si Port Harcourt na-eme ọfụma ugbu a? Kedu ihe iche maka ha? Ị na-ahụta onwe gị dịka ịma ihe bekee na-akpọ godfather ha? Ị na-ahụta onwe gị ka godfather ha?
Hello.
Ị nụrụ ihe m kwuru?
Okay,
asị m kedu ihe iche maka etu a ndị dịka Burna Boy, Timaya, Omale na-eti egwu ndị ọzọ si Port Harcourt? Ịnụ ihe m kwuru?
Yes.
Nsị ndị dịka Burna Boy, Timaya ha, Omale, ndị egwu si Port Harcourt pụta, kedu ihe iche maka otu a ha si eme ọfụma ugbu a na-anụ aha ha ugbu a maka na ọ dị ka gị nwa bụ ụzọ bido ịmago ote gị bidoro a na-anụ aha gị mana ha nwawo ndị a na-anụ aha ha ugbu a kedu ihe iche maka ha ị na-ahụta onwe gị dịka ihe bekee kpọrọ Godfather nye ha?
Now, for me, there's nothing like Godfather. God is just one. God, there's no other Godfather. God can only be one. Now, the greatest joy was that, you see success after you. So there's not, you watch your concert, Burna Boy, that day, see how we ended the show. How will I put it? Always dream come true. Because so many persons, after their step, nothing happened. By the grace of God, it took the time, it took Duncan Mighty for the first time for you to see studios everywhere in Port Harcourt. It took after Duncan Mighty's music for you to start seeing young people becoming encouraged, knowing that if this one boy, this local guy, if you do this thing, make money, we go do it. And at the end of the day, today, look at it, and people haven't heard anything about Port Harcourt because Port Harcourt, it's just that we don't have the right media. There's no, no platform. There's nothing projecting us. So when you project at all, there's nothing. Just one of the reasons I'm interested in this interview is because that's the only reason why. Because my way, and I like saying this everywhere. The Yoruba who my best people are. The Yorubas are the best people I've ever seen. These are people who they know how to value their craft. They know how. Yoruba just go fuego, just for fuego. They may have value. They how to support culture. So, but don't think especially the politicians. I don't know how they feel. I don't understand why up to today. There's no risk. There's nothing. Some of them will owe us money. Some of them will do like this. Some of them will do like this. Some of them will do so. Some of them will promise heaven and earth, and at the end of the day, and I actually made this medium to say it, and I'm proud, and I'm not scared to say this. In the history of Nigeria, in the history of this nation, it's a big shame that the whole Southeast has never produced a governor who have a wisdom, who has what it takes to establish culture of tourism, a governor who can raise revenue through entertainment. It's a shame. It's a big shame. It's a big shame. I'll tell all the governors till tomorrow, the roads you're building will not bring development. You need to give us infrastructural development that will enable these people come and invest in us. We have all it takes. Let me tell you, when I released my song 2010, that was when the militancy thing was high rising. Port Harcourt has a bad name. When I released my music, Port Harcourt name was dead. Shell, everybody was going. Militancy. It took Duncan Mighty's music to make people know what's Port Harcourt in the mind. And since that song, I will tell you the truth, so many of these youths who are involved in social vices, they've actually embraced their God-given natural ability. So, okay, for instance, look at what's happening in Rivers State today. What's holding Governor Wike? How much is that money that is holding you to enable culture and tourism start bringing at least 10 billion every year? In the history of Rivers State, every governor will settle Commissioner of Culture and Tourism office either with their girlfriend or with their pimp. They'll go and bring somebody who has studied Agric. They'll bring somebody who studied Agric to be Culture and Tourism Commissioner. At the end of the day, they are keep doing rubbish. You will not see any mark. People who are entertainers, who have retired, they are suffering. People who paved the way for us, they cannot have anything with their content today. Those who were there before us, their children are suffering. Nobody cares. Why? There is no system to succeed what they have done. If not for the fact that God enabled me that after fame, and God's grace, education was part of it, I won't be able to, have invested to the level where I think I don't need to look for any government or anybody portfolio today. But it's a shame. It's a shame that bring all the states. No governor can say, I have generated 2,000 naira through culture and tourism.
Mana ndị dịka Cross River na River State anyị na-ekwu okwu ya, a na-eme Canny Reef na River State. when I make Calabar Carnival, honey with entertainment.
Events now can make you understand. Events is not as the same thing as platform. Event is not as the same thing as infrastructure. Events can really be say once in a year. Okay, just imagine once in a year. I mean, why since we came as a governor, there's no carnival, there's nothing. Simply because not be saying do bad though, he has no idea of those things. You can't be a lawyer and be an entertainer. Are you getting it? It's not possible. You need people who approve. You need somebody who can tell you this thing can be done. And it's a shame. There is no governor that can come out and say this ministry has generated, meanwhile, money they lost. See multinationals like Shell, MTN, a whole lot of them benefiting in our region. There is nothing, we can't force them. It's not their fault. The government has not created any, enablement for them to say, I become comfortable in there, but it's not nice. Check the whole Southeast and South. The only thing governors can proud is road. I don't understand. I don't just understand. After building roads, all the governors in Nigeria just roads. What happened to the amphitheater? What happened to the technical centers? What happened to the service stations? What happened to the electronic community? What happened to the entertainment village? Look at Lagos. Look at that Alabadia. Look at Computer Village. These are enablements that makes young people not to think of to steal somebody's money again. There's nothing. Or when there's nothing ever you see in the East that encouraging young people. Or when nothing. Campaign roll now. Once campaign don't they reach now. But you can see. So it's high time we tell ourselves the truth. It's high time if we tell ourselves the truth. It's high time we tell ourselves. Imagine, okay, Nigerian governors, they do not know that if they can create some certain kind of infrastructure that has to do with road, they can bring opera to come and encourage lives here. Then when opera will come go there for primary school fees, then they will come shoot go and person go wrong. Because of what? There's no infrastructure, there's no provision for such things. The only thing they do when campaign read, they carry army people full for stadium and they go. They don't care. And they don't know they are losing money. Last time I came up on media, I said, I have an idea that will be giving Nigeria 1 billion every day. Now waka they say, simply because such things, especially in this nation, they see celebrities as people who are dropped out of school. They see some of us that were not educated. All of you should listen. Governance is too much. Listen again. Governance is too much to be left alone for politicians. Governance is too much to be left alone for politicians. As I speak to you, I don't know too much, I don't know too much, but I have 101% ideas to generate 1 billion in 6 months through entertainment. 1 billion. If I know if you do, let me go to jail. These are simple, small things. We have Coca-Cola over how many years? We cannot come out in any community and say, this is the life Coca-Cola have touched. Simply because the people they put in the office as culture and tourism, they have no idea about culture and tourism. They have no idea. How can a governor spend how many years? You've not done one event that has to do with enabling people to know that we can grow. If not that Burna Boy got a Grammy, for how many years nobody has been out of his house, then tomorrow you say musicians shall drop out. Simply because, and you see, this is the reason why when some silent kids want to go into entertainment, their children, their parents don't want them to go into it. Because it's hard for you to see an entertainer make it just, you can't make it alone. You must have other things to back up. I need a restaurant and I let you neighbor. I set it up, I set to studio. That's the only way I can do it. But over here, I got some about Oboni and I cannot enter Oboni and I cannot kill my mother. When I suffer, so the rubbish and the things they do is so fucking annoying. It's true. Okay, for instance, now, if Batana Igbo now, it's checking Igbo now. Lefino, Lefino, Le Flavor, Le Mugaro, Le Umobelibo, Le Donka Mighty, Le Timaya, those are there. From A to Z of all of us, and you will get any hope. No, only when you can low fall back to. And you will give hope. Thank God for digital market. So all the too painful that up till today, the only thing our governors know as the Ministry of Culture and Tourism is employee who will bring fine guests, employee who will do grand ball. Is a shame. Like I said, bring all the states. It's only Yoruba man who has the knowledge of who is popular today, was popular for entertainment. Dino Malaya became popular after Ajay. I mean, that's entertainment. Adele became popular after he became a dancing senator. That's entertainment. They all still gain that through entertainment. They should put money, they should invest. That's the only way to save our children from crime, from shooting gun. Are you getting it? Okay, for instance, Yobo, a footballer. Yobo played 100 games for Nigeria. Yobo played for Takot. Yobo Kuro Madroba. Yobo for his grand finale. Imagine the government. A village chieftaincy title. Yeah, Yobo. We shall back up. Then you bring because he was busy employing court boys to shoot gun for you. Then 8 years we go. Rivers State or any other state cannot have a platform where our young footballers can just play at home and go away. Then Yobo can Chelsea. All this club Loka, what rubber, bear camp, yeah, Nigeria. Then bacha ball, they were a chieftaincy. Chief. What happened to the ministry that has to do with creating this enablement? Can't Yobo build a world-class international stadium? Can't Yobo be the one to create a football academy for the South? Someone who's gotten that level. That's not how it should be. Because the politician, politics has nothing to do with entertainment. Stop employing somebody who studied Agric to be a commissioner of culture authority. We are dying. No to Osadebe now. Osadebe should be supposed to be like other around. His son supposed to be the most expensive, highest paid. Why? If we're controlling these things. No to Nigeria, MBs had received pirates in Ebuani, or when he called the world they are concerned. He released the ego now before he don't show him. He can want to show the ego. You don't know. I get the latest story. So, I mean, when you win now, I got money, but I have to you know, when you hear small money. Here, India, want champagne. Here, small money. How much did they buy private jet? If you can buy private jet for 500 million. 2013, Pastor David Ibiomi in K1 Salvation Ministry. 2013. I just came back from Europe, then from the school. Out of surprise upon. I said, don't come mighty. I don't come mighty. God told me that you have acquired knowledge from the international community. God said that you will go to Europe and gather world-class living equipment, come back to this headquarters, train the technical department for me. And lo and behold, he gave me money. I went to the international community. I bought world-class leading equipment. I bought for Salvation Ministry, Venue XC48, the latest encoding console that will serve that church till the next 30 years. But it pained me that is a pastor that can discover the technical value and ability of Duncan Mighty than the man who is supposed to do it.
Kedu otu isi na-ekwu ọ dị ka ị ga-emecha banye ihe gbasara ndọrọndọrọ ọchịchị ya bụ politics na bekee?
Politics.
Ị ga-emecha banye
politics. Politics. To me, it's not going into politics. I love to go into governance, and because governance is far big, to be left alone for politicians. Just try and understand that. If Buhari sabi win election, Buhari no go sabi sing. You understand? Okay, no to a 1 year, man, the Kano did that, No to a man, the Kano did not. Because of what? He was able to find an entertaining means to send message to his brothers. Simple. So there's nothing you can tell me. There's not entertainment that's on top. There's nothing. There's nothing you tell me. So it's high time. 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 Ndị na-eche na Nigeria ga-alụ ọgụ bụ Nigeria dị mma. Ọwụ na generation anyị dị. Generation anyị dị with generation dị Chineke wisdom. We will dispute all of you theories by telling you guys that we sabi yes, that we are not looking for your portfolios, but Biko, stop killing South, South, and Southeast. All of you in power. We kill Okowa. I only need all of them. All of them are involved. Buru. I wouldn't want to be a pimp. I would have no man has seen I'm a political artist. I only work with Jonathan, and that's my father. And after working with that man, I'm not interested. If I don't think I have to give I'm not interested because when we go south and southeast, we don't have radio projecting us. I hear work radio, you get radio, and I didn't know only from morning to night.
Ndị politician ka o si n'aka ọha wa mepere nke ndị ala ọha wa mepere ya.
Ihe m na-agbalị ụna onye Yoruba o nwere wisdom ịmata na ihe wa akara aka na-eweta ego more than ihe gọọmenti. Onye Yoruba nwanne ya gụrụ egwu last week ga-enye nwanne ya ahụ 2 million 5 million. Onye ebe ka anyị asị ịwụ upcoming ka anyị enye 200 $1 anyị enye. I'm telling you the truth. Check here now. The leading artist now in Nigeria or onye Hausa. Wizkid or onye Hausa or onye Igbo. Davido or onye Hausa or onye Igbo. Tiwa Savage or onye Hausa or onye Igbo. All ndị be ha. So we from the South, I'm not sounding tribalist, but I'm telling you, that's how it's supposed to be. Build your home. The slot, the promotion, the publicity they are giving us in South City, they are doing us favor. It should be for them. When I'm talking, I know the fear person. We should have our own. It's high time we have MTV East, MTV Abia, MTV South. Or not, I haven't been he watch on the Lagos. The whole show, honey, and then go hotel. Only come one Igbo name. Only show can they heat show I can one Igbo name. The Igbo name. So it's not the right thing we're doing. Yes, we are losing. We are losing. Okay, what if, let me ask a question. What if the Yoruba man was tribalistic in the media? Would they play our song? What if the Lagos community, after their investment, what if they did not accept us? Are you getting it? The truth should be told. What if you come to Lagos, they won't support you? You get it? Yes. So all of that, no, there's nothing, there's no encouragement. There's no encouragement. We got any community. Oh, in the money plating of hair. I mean, this. I don't know how to start explaining, but I'm not happy that at this time, at this particular time, we can't be proud of one thing. Naya Robo, only 18 a little bit. It's not nice, man. It's not nice, man. It's not. It's not nice.
Ọ bụ na ị na-esonye anyị ugbu a echefuna na ebe ị nọ bụ na BBC News Igbo. Anyị nọ n'Instagram BBC News Igbo. Anyị nọkwa na Facebook BBC News Igbo. Ị ga-achọta anyị n'ọgbakọ anyị ya bụ webụsaịtị anyị bụ www.bbcigbo.com ebe ị ga-ahụ akụkọ dị iche iche gbasara nke bekee na-akpọ entertainment, gbasara egwuregwu ya bụ nke bekee na-akpọ sports, gbasara ndọrọndọrọ ọchịchị ya bụ nke bekee na-akpọ politics, gbasara ihe na-ewu ewu gbasara omenala ya bụ nke bekee na-akpọkwa culture, nke na-ewu ewu current affairs. Akụkọ ọbụla ị chọrọ n'ụdị ọbụla isi chọọ ya ị ga-ahụ ya na BBC News Igbo. Onye anyị na ya nọ n'ọgbakọ anyị ugbu a bụ Duncan Mighty. Ọ bụla ị ka na-esonye anyị ugbu a anyị na-anabata gị nnọọ. Ka anyị gaa n'ihu, asị anyị jụọ gị si na itiri egwu uru ewu ọfụma nke a kpọrọ Dance For Me na Dance Ya For Me, mana anyị ahụghị vidiyo ya, na gịnị mere?
All those music, I made a video. I man, they know the marketers for the music. In those days, I am able, I really at a marketer. So the audio, really go, really pieces, you know, the thing for tie issue. Video I make the market got same camera and game time because I didn't ready at that stage in that time, you know, I didn't ready got caught with the mother, be able to whereby they make you very map. You know, but by the grace of God, at the end of the day, the end of the release, it was late, you know. But I still give God the glory that, you know, the same effect, even the video would have done, I think, from that same song, you know, I found myself here today. You know, oh, true. You know, but album kind of, I have callers of videos, man. Album, the album.
Kedu mgbe ya bụ ọbụ na-apụta? This album ị na-ekwu maka kedu mgbe ọ na-apụta?
I supposed to put 2 weeks ago, but publishing right time, I finished our new licensing. That was 3 days ago, and so I did either Saturday or Monday. I get dropped with the full album.
Ọ dị egwu. Kedu egwu gị bupụtara gị ma mee ka ị bụrụ onye ama ama taa?
Oh, just that music on that. For my very first song.
Gụrụ ya n'isi maka na anyị kemgbe ka ị na-anya anyị nkụzi ebe a nyetụkwana anyị ihe bekee kpọrọ something light. Gụọrọ anyị ya ka anyị nụ.
Don't worry. You know, small expo. What is coming up, you know?
N'abalị a ị ga-enye anyị n'abalị ọkwa ya. Anyị na-echekwa gị ga-enye anyị ya n'abalị a. Kedu onwere egwu itipụtara iche na ọ ga-ewu dịka ndị ọzọ mana owu gị? Kedu ihe iche mere na o ji owu gị otu isi chọọ? Kedu egwu onwere egwu ọbụla itipụtara chee n'obi gị oge na gị asị nke a nwa ga-etisa obodo ọ pụtazịa mana owuzi otu ndị nke ọzọ iche na ọ ga-ewu?
For me, I'm able for the fact for that fact that everywhere, you know, everybody motivated me. You know, because me, I'm able. And by the grace of God, everything you have heard since the history of Duncan Mighty is the one that has been producing the beats. Duncan Mighty has been the one that is recording the song. So on a favor, on a massive obvious inspiration, it works for me more. It could be as inspiration. Once you go back as inspiration, man, I hear our inspiration, but already you know that the world will accept it because it's not made by you. You know, it's something that God gave to you. So that now about all those songs we used to write, a lot can confirm to that. You know, the other way. They are the writing of songs. And you can't get hits for me. onye ga-agbalị Chineke ihe ọ ga-eme. So just I do music that I'm happy to do because I hardly do song with no meaning. I'm feeling somehow like, what's the meaning of this thing? No matter how fun that song is, I just try to make sure there's a message, one way or the other, I will be able to pass message to someone. So I just give God praise for that.
Odimma. O nwere egwu igoro si na Amechi na ya Rotimi Amechi bụ minista na gọvanọ Nyesom Wike na hapụ ụmụnne na ha ekwesịghị na-alụ ọgụ. Kedu ihe mere iji tipụta ego ahụ?
Abịkwuola ya na ha na-alụ ọgụ na ndị na-emebi ihe. So and I thank God immediately releasere egwu ahụ. There are two called na ọma agbalịala n'egwu a egwu atata na ha to be very, very honest, Nyesom Wike is like is a God sent, to the Kwere community. That's why I'm urging him to try and see the other side and know that he's somebody that will pay for your game. So and the other is he was a minister, he was a governor. Who go fit talk to you now? Then you think I know how the work they outside that can enjoy. You are 1 year away. I get develop Wolo. I got a lot of whatever. So there's no need. He will be Duncan Mighty. Duncan Mighty will start. I met you when again. Look away again. But let me go. India may make problem then. Get a power by the politician. Yes, I want your PC, you want your number. Why you go? Because at that stage, I almost lost the fan base, There a lot of fans were seeing it like I'm a member, I'm a member. But at the end of the day, honestly, because I don't see politics at that, if not that it's full of embezzlement and stealing. It shouldn't be be that big thing for a young person to get into simply because, they loot a lot of money there. These politicians, I'm telling you, they can't even remember Bosch law. Some of these politicians, they can't even remember careers in chemistry. Some of these people, I could bring them straight, even as early as indices to standard form, to simplification, to factorization, they cannot remember. Bring this, they can't speak good English. Bring plenty of them. I'm telling you. So at the end of the day, ndị
anyị agaghị agbakwa ha ndị osi n'ọgbakọ biko sitere n'aka ka e nwere ike ikwu
onye si na ya wụ onye ochi o weta palliative wee nyere ya isi na ịnwe onye ochi ole palliative ndị ogbenye
anya ga-ajụwa ndị ahụ
ahụ ndị ochi ahụ ndị akpịrị
mba anyị agaghị akpọ ha ndị ochi anyị agaghị akpọ ha ndị ochi naanị a tụrụ aka naanị ndị ụlọ ikpe tụrụ aka si ha bụ ndị ochi ka a ga-akpọ ndị ochi onye ọbụla aka anyị agaghị akpọ ha ndị ochi
ya nyekwu ugbu a ga-eme Naijiria ga-adị mma unu bịa na midia unu na-atụ ụjọ na-agwa ndị a eziokwu ịgwa mmadụ na
ọ bụghị otu ọ dị.
This platform now, all where they're supposed to learn, then how now maybe in a defend, how are they going to change? Somebody should roll it. Public armed robber, even palliative, ndị ogbenye ri.
Ihe ọ bụ na ị na-atụ mmadụ aka ebe onye ahụ na-anọghị
ikuku. I'm na-atụ the whole politicians aka all of them, ọ bụ na-atụ ha.
Ọ bụ na-akpọta ha itu onye ha ka si ngwa onye ahụ enwe ohere ịzara ọnụ. Iwu jikọtara ndị akụkọ bụ na ị ga-atụ onye ọzọ aka ị ga-enye onye ahụ iji azara ọnụ ya. Ọ bụ na onye ahụ na-azara ọnụ ya ọ gaghị ịkpọ ya aka ebe ọ na-anọghị ya. Ọ dị ka mmadụ ya gị ịbịa bụ ebubo na onwe ihe ma ị nọghị ebe ahụ ịsa onye ahụ ị na-atụ mmadụ aka na onye ahụ ga-anọ ebe ahụ wee ike sara ọnụ ya
cheka ngwa gị enwe Nigeria hụrụ taa only one thing problem Nigeria especially the young people like us the young ones like I feel that now most of these our elderly leaders made mistake. The high get I get with one day, then Nigeria until the young people like us begin to give them the idea, tell them where they did it wrong, let them know we're interested, we can do it better for them. It's not going to get better. It's not going to get better. Nigeria made it good. I'm not about mad on your sheet when he's not a thief. When I call somebody a thief, listen. Is it now? I'm not getting. It's not. I'm not. It's getting me peace. Palliative. We really be honest. Palliative. We really because of the pandemic. The pandemic, so many died. So many went back to square one. Instead, price of things went up. What is food that even got rotten? That no governor in Nigeria can come out and say, among 32 states, I am the only person. No, baby thief. I mean, he said, no. Oh. Man, okay, man, anyway, I I'm still saying it tomorrow. Let me tell you, don't be feeling intimidated. Listen. There is no politician bigger than any celebrity in this nation. Forget that they have stolen money. You can't pay money to see them. You don't pay money to see them. Stop all this. I don't get intimidated with all those things. I know. I will tell you the perfect truth. I spent money on that from so many of them. Go to Port Harcourt and find that. No, I wouldn't be. There's something I don't like. Let me go on today. If I'm Hana Abasa Igbo, Haneme Igbo now this scatter. Emecha, then about when you call an interview, Nadine may be a Libo. When you call an interview, then they may be a Libo. Because one are well, they're making sure that they couldn't have a Libo. Then our politicians, because they feel they have money, they are trying to instigate problems and also. But I want to advise everybody, including my pastors, my dear politicians, any day anything happen in this country, hey, time off. Start the play. Nigeria. Bye. Any leg wow. So we have to say the truth. We have to.
Solomon Tochi Fidelis say I do to Kedun we God's own album in and the gratitude band the America puta.
Yeah, that word gospel album, I don't like it. From the first day of Duncan Mighty does not do anything without involving God. So categorizing it as a gospel, I mean, my God is too much for that. Because when others, they show God how their problem big rich, me, they show the problem how my God big rich. You know, understand? So Jesus is beyond religion. God is beyond religion, is beyond Christianity, Muslim, as much as I know. So worshiping God generally, it has nothing to do with his gospel music or no. Bible says, let the light of a man shine and no shall glorify God. Every time Dr. Mike they sing, he must get sense, must get go. So the new album, track one, just when you hear the album, you got because at this level, honestly, I've known God to the level whereby I realize that religion is far away, different from understanding who God is. Because today, more will not Chineke, I got popular now. I got the popular now. Okay, imagine imagine that now I infrastructure. Check time between Duncan Mighty with Burna Boy Puta. Check between Burna Boy Puta to Omale. The moment I went platform, that means okay, every week now I get with one superstar. Every month I get with one person. So it's not. And here when we small money, small. We don't need to. It's those days when you're building a TV station or radio station. Another engineer, you start putting mask. Oyibo has brought Wi-Fi. There are so many multimedia mobile gadgets today. We need multimedia to make our boys stop shooting gun. It's not to buy keke and share during election. We make somebody stop gun. If somebody is saying in talent, they even make guests like I'm alone. You know, go bush, go shoot gun. We have talented people. We have. If you see our footballers, their chest is it. How many of us? What's happening? Meanwhile, these are small. Mbema na gabi abroad. Nature na imo one abroad. Oh, big man thing. Nature na some certain things, big things. But at the end of the day, that's not true. That's not true. It's not true. So to Nigeria now, because now hunger takes scientists now. It takes 8 days for hunger to kill a man. Hunger and a woman in Nigeria, man, they are still alive. So we are bigger than that nation that should be lacking few, Nigeria no get light too far, but waiting there for small infrastructure. That particular thing I did there is giving people 2 naira, giving them 1 naira. How many of them? What's wrong? What's the big deal for you to see those boys in the Navy? Those boys, they didn't go to school, they don't have degree, they don't have certificate. They are republishing vehicles with no materials, with no mechanism. They are republishing vehicles, they are putting vehicles in order. That's to tell you that Nigeria is capable of producing. Crude oil that Nigeria is misbehaving with today. Crude oil has value to produce 1,000 products. I said it. Crude oil has the ability to produce 1,000 products. We are not producing one, even one we are sharing it. And let me tell you, in the next 20-25 years, oil will not have value. The international community are already testing water automobile vehicles. The international community are already testing so many kind of, what's it called, technology, and the ideas are not ready today. In fact, in those days, technical school in Nigeria, when you got technical school, he knows that he has some today, zero. It's not there. But every day, EFCC. Only what did you keep for these boys to leave internet fraud? What is it that the Nigerian youth is
ihe ga-eji gboo ya bụ mkpa ya bụ ihe bekee kpọrọ solution na nkenke. Kedu ihe ga-asị bụ solution nsogbu adị kịta?
Solution. Solution gịnị?
Nsogbu niile a ịkpọchara aha dị taa nsogbu niile ebe
First of
niile
all,
ma
solution
nke
Nigeria.
entertainment ebe niile ma infrastructure.
First of all, first solution to Nigeria is a bitter truth. Nigeria is not love. They're not in love with themselves. They need to separate their ways. Nigerians need to calm down. Nigeria don't love each other. They don't love each other at all. There's no love. Love goes first. Nigeria need to separate their ways to gain, to know themselves again. Right now, it's not about telling this person that's a big lie. This is why I've used religion to divide us, to bring us to kill ourselves. Nigeria right now, the solution to Nigeria, to attempt to. Well, I'm telling you, that's the only way we do it. That is the only way. That's the only way, man. That's the only way. Hello?
Ekesakwa n'otu esi asị ka ekesa onye kachiri ibe ya maka na ndị adị ugbu a onye na-achị onye bụ gọvanọ n'Imo steeti bụ onye Igbo ọ bụghị onye ugwu na-achị n'Imo steeti nke o ji awụ onye Yoruba na-achị abịa n'ala Yoruba onye Yoruba na-achị ha abịa onye ugwu na-achị ha kedu ihe meziri anaghị ahụ ihe ndahie ị chọrọ ị na-ahụ ma ọ bụ nkesa
I can't hear again.
Ị nụrụ ihe m kwuru ugbu a? Ị na-anụ m ugbu a?
Okay.
Ị na-anụ m ugbu a? Ị na-anụ m ugbu a?
Yes.
Asị m ị na-asị na ihe ka dị mma maka Naijiria ugbu a oke nkesa wee sị gị na nkesa ahụ na ugbu a na onye Igbo na-achị ala Igbo na ndị Igbo ndị gọvanọ ala Igbo ọ bụghị onye Yoruba bụ gọvanọ n'ala Igbo ndị ugwu bụ gọvanọ na mpaghara ha ndị Yoruba bụ gọvanọ na mpaghara ha ọ bụ ha na-achị ekesa ugbu a ọ bụ
can make a water there's no how Nigeria is so blessed today that they need to understand how maximize it. Now listen, those days Nigeria used to feel that if Nigeria separates, Hausa will suffer. Have you seen the Hausa man today? The Hausa man is very industrious. Hausa man produces. Hausa man today is not the Hausa man used to know those days. Hausa man is no more that Hausa man. Hausa man does Okada business. Hausa man sells. Hausa man does everything today. Hausa man is not the Mumu Hausa man used to see before. Today, Hausa man can say you will not eat tomato. Are you getting it? That's the thing that if Nigeria separates, they will be the one to make guy for you for food. They won't hungry. Tell yourself the truth. Yes. Then Indian and Igbo are supposed to be making guy for Nigeria now. Because one day has to do with travel, do all that import. Nigeria when it's not about where we governor. I'm telling you, Nigeria right now cannot separate and anybody goes hungry. That's not true. It's not true. It's not true. Every part of this nation have what they can tell you. I can do this, and I can do this. So let's stop telling lies. We'll stop to this. Let's stop all of this. So Duroma, and at the end of the day, they use that to I mean, other international community that achieved it, Nale, Catalina, and all of them. Why I wanna Obia Abian and Nigeria, man, because at the end of the day, it's better. They say, if you know, say, one of my sons say, if you know, say, you go carry me for back, and my leg will sit there for ground, leave me make her the crawl. Yes. So we should tell ourselves the truth. No, they carry you for back, make your leg the scrub for ground. No good. No good. Okay, go to Nigeria now. Go to Nigeria now. Mayana one day herdsmen. Hana after nebu din nebu nna. Or any day no na ma politician. Or any day no na ma governor. Or any day no na ma commissioner. Why? The beauty to the level whereby the poor should keep dying. Man, Owashi. Or anywhere that one. Owashi. Always Ibotashi. Because Nigeria makes it great. I get a build our neighbor. I got Abuja get wall. Yes. I said, Nigeria came to break now. Hey, allow. Or me, or getting me, gala. In that way, you don't come to name of that. I have whatever, I have that. I said it tomorrow. I love Yoruba too much. I love them too much. How are you? How are you? In here by any care. That's the most important thing for a man. Build your house. Build your house. Okay, see, I see us over it. It's you over it now. If you watch over it now, we have let's say 60 to 70% cultural and tourism infrastructural value. Why? There are so many hotels, comfortability, and not just so many hotels. These hotels are selling every day. This what's it called? Is making people to go. So if Nigeria have over a kind of a state like 5, we can host World Cup. Are you getting it?
Mm-hmm.
Are you getting it?
Mm-hmm.
If we have, do you understand me? That's how you see a nation hosting World Cup. If we some of these things, we can host World Cup. We can do some international events that will touch the world. We can achieve all of these things. You can. In fact, let me tell you, the worst thing that's made me, I want Nigeria to separate now, is what has happened to education. Nigerian youth will be proud to say, I'm going to school for the SAT. See our young girls, see the kind of English they are speaking. In fact, let me go to the bottom of the truth. Nigeria's most expensive universities are owned by the men of God. But do you know what? None of their schools have invented a toothpick. None of their certificate or degree can stand where Harvard, Cambridge, Oxford is talking. None of these religious leaders have added a value to what will make this nation great. So what are you telling me? He's supposed to take the information in this handout and put in your head, right? At the end of the semester, you come for an examination. Now, the same information that he's supposed to teach you, when the exam comes, he tell you to buy the handout. At that time, when you don't buy the handout, you cannot pass. You understand? Let Nigeria, just look at our schools. Just see our schools. I tell even in your office there now, in your office there, bring any of your colleagues that went to Nigeria University. Ask the person what is boss law. If he's a science student, if he's a mathematics student, bring the dead person to come and do bearing and distance. In fact, primary school students are brilliant at universities there in Nigeria. I said it. Only the grammar they speak while they. So what are you telling us? When education is faulty.
Manandi Nigeria go akwụkwọ ebe a na-agafe ala bekee na-emekwa ọfụma. Ka ezi anyị ga-atụfuzi nke anyị na-amụta atụfu. Mana ndị Nigeria na-esi ebe a gaa ala bekee, ndị gụrụ akwụkwọ ebe a na-esi ebe a gaa ala bekee na-eme ọfụma. Anyị ga-asịzi atụfuo nke anyị nwere nwa atụfu.
Gaa ala bekee.
A na-esi na ihe ha mụtara ebe a gaa n'ala bekee na-emekwa ọfụma ebe ahụ wee tinyere nke ha ga-amụta ebe a. Anyị ga-asịzi ka atụfuo nke a mụtara ebe a.
Ihe eji ọnụ gị kwuo. Akwa ya dị ka a mụtara ebe a gaa ebe ahụ.
Ole mgbe na-ekwu na nke anụ enweghị nke anyị na anyị amaghị asụ bekee, anyị amaghị nke niile.
Ole mgbe onye bekee ga-agụcha nke ya ka ọ bịa Nigeria. Is it not happy? Can't we have United States of Africa?
Ka ahụ okwu ụbọchị ọzọ.
Until I went to Switzerland to stay in Basel. Basel is the capital of Swiss. Then got the president. No, there are so many organized nations. We should stop telling lies. Simply because, see, Nigeria is the only country where every village have the richest man. In your village, there's the richest man. That makes sense now. My mother see, okay, more than Chineke talent. Nga na BBC taa. Then look at it. Yeah, now. So we should tell ourselves the truth. See, my mates are building university. My mates are building hospital. My mates are changing lives. That in this nation, my mates are thinking of having 10 wives. My mates are thinking of having the highest money. It's bullshit. Why? Because of what we've seen on ground. Don't have people who want to. Let me so now. Let me so. I'm waiting. In fact, I thank God for God. God used so many things this period to tell us that this country we have been suffering. God used coronavirus to disgrace the whole religious leaders in the whole Nigeria. He used coronavirus and disgrace all of them from A to Z. From A to Z, all of them. He disgraced them. God is doing all this thing for we to understand that this our suffer. Ain't don't see too much. Say, no could try, no could get sense. How can you be in an altar? How can you be in an altar? You will say that if a girl is pregnant, let her not climb your altar. Let her not wed. But the girl will go carry belly outside. You will go dedicate the pikin. But you can't say the zero. You know, go do DNA for child dedication, but you go do pregnancy test for wedding. Who are you deceiving? Meanwhile, you are a sinner before you repented. And now you say you're holy. It's not true. That's what has destroyed this nation. So people are suffering with no information. So if the government can help create infrastructure that will enable young, talented people, when I mean talent, it's not just music. When I mean talented, Nigerian youths are too, oh my God. You know why poverty made a tired people for Nigeria? Hunger may kill anybody. Because for Nigeria, person they sell card, they pay school fees. For Nigeria, person they so imagine say government just say, okay, if I fit do like this, we can do like this. It's only when campaign don't reach. Even when they are don't come, I don't want you to do campaign for any of them now. I'll give you 1 million. Nothing now. Go work. Out of everywhere. The whole party I got where.
Kaila Chazo now. Mgbe gị na nwunye gị nwere esemokwu unu pụtara na social media, ị nwere ike ịgwata anyị ihe mere mgbe ahụ na ihe mere unu ji na social media?
Akpịhụ na o ji aka ya agbafu, ọ Chineke zọrọ m.
Ị na-asị ọ gbafuola ugbu a?
Chineke zọrọ m. Chineke zọrọ m. Since 2015, see when I'm releasing album. God did a lot for me, man. You carry juju come, catch the boy. The boy carry prick. Oh, you do mistake. You made a mistake. You carry juju come. Yeah, what happened today? You made a mistake. Yeah, about us. You don't make mistake. Iji ọgwụ jide nwoke. Ya were kwa ọgwụ nke Chineke nyere ya jide gị. Gị mee mistake. Ebelebe etu ọsọ apụọ. It's like you do sacrifice now. Man, if woman kill you, even hell for yourself, you don't go see. That one for you. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You can call her here,
I may preach in a church. What happened to me is that I made a mistake. I didn't consult God, and I thank God in less than 1 year, 2 years, God delivered me. And later, I now realized that, man, in anything you do in this life, make sure you consult God. What if God did not rescue me from such a woman having another people's child in the house? What can't you see all these men that are dying when they find out 18 years later? But God did it for you under 1 year. God exposed them. They use their hand quarrel. Now be strong man, no. No. See Samson, not many blowjob Delilah give him Samson a couple. Okay, now.
Biko. Hey, so biko. Biko, okay. Kedu ihe nwere ikwu maka etu ndị mmadụ ndị nọ na di ndị nọ na alụmdi na nwunye ya bụ marriage na bekee? Kedu ihe nwere ikwu maka etu ụfọdụ na-echapụta na social media na-ekwu nsogbu ha nwere n'ime
ụlọ? See, it was before the women married for who they want to love. It's normal. Today, our women marry for who they want to control. It's still normal. So it's just for you to choose what you want to do. But when some of you are asking this question, always remember that Jesus no put woman for disciple. Jesus no marry. So this married thing is not, you know what I'm saying? My mama sick bleeding for 18 years because of marriage. Me, I know can't call life again. Can't suffer from God marriage. No possible now. I don't have younger ones today because of afflictions or what my mother saw in marriage. That's how I become a fool one. So it's not possible. They don't use lion to sacrifice. See how Nigeria is today. Imagine the level I exposed my ex. See, I exposed them with proof. Nobody said anything because it's a normal thing in Nigeria today that people use charm to kill man. Imagine the kind of evidences we have, different charm, juju. Imagine the kind of things, the kind of yet nobody cares. So I mean, you need to know that the country is somehow. You know, you people, women, it's our mother's time. They enjoy marriage. So I went in the video. Because letting me at the fear pass gone now, that's how I'm about marriage. She make it go in.
Yeah, when you got a metal long eye, help me metal long eye. I need to make
I'm more better go for now.
I will get in a deal. I don't know.
Forget this idiot in my life. My children are grown. Baby mama, I never in. I'm not this one. My children and I knew I'm with my kids, so it's too late to fail. You understand? When they now, when now, boy, they are after them. When you're very big, when you're able to, then we're to catch it on. No. There's a level I've gone with God, and you can't work with God and have a bad idea. It's not possible.
Yeah, there's a level. No matter what, Kahati, Yakuko, Imado. You got it quick.
That's yeah, I'll put him now. Now to you. I'm on game back to back. You know what to make it. Now, wow. I'm on game now.
You know
what it means? Woman carry juju come marry you. You can't use both and come out. Now what to you? Now what to you? You know that.
But I need to go and buy that chicota. Ask people and you go and you give my obioma.
Jesus, hallelujah.
Mba o ha ka ịchọrọ ị ga-agụrụ anyị ego ọ bụgodị nke pụtara gị n'isi ugbu a maọbụ nke ịgụ ụgbọala agụ maọbụ nke ị ka na-achụ gụpụtagụ ga-agụrụ anyị ego n'abụghị Jizọs.
Okay, back you one. Yeah, she know. Listen, yeah, she no get joy.
Mba ọ dị nke ahụ.
Not go deep. Now yeah, she dey vlog. Now yeah, she go shit. Martin go drink. Now yeah, she go peace. People who like me to yeah, should never be happy again. That's the final song.
Biko what egwu nke ka ị chọrọ. Biko gara egwu dị mma, egwu na-asụtọ ihe dịka Obianuju, love give iko egwu. When I think about the things you do, something they tell me to marry you. Hey, I think
I'm no fake filo. Padu kulurano wale shaki filo. I think like an attack, but an uncle even say what is here for everybody. You go out and his voice get that travel, not jail overseas. No matter whom I know about the bellow. So when you see me, just say hello. Oh, to Jennifer to change the alpha to jello. Can't you change the world? Now, baby. In your little now, walk a forge, can't afford you. I want the security get and dodge.
Hey, Chineke na hey, Ike guru papa bo. Ora yo zo ka mi ke tasikota.
Can hear you.
Ina di hem de ku.
Ina no?
Gora anyi go zo ka tasikota. ị ga-agụrụ anyị na ihe m na-ekwu ị na-anụ ihe m na-ekwu gụrụ anyị ego ọzọ ka anyị pịachikọta biko anyị anaghị anụzikwa ihe ị na-ekwu isi anyị anaghị anụzikwa ihe ị na-ekwu anyị gara enyetụghị anyị obere ohere ka anyị ike chịkọta
I'll flog this boy. See, I'll put you on live video now. You're disturbing me.
Biko mere anyị gụrụ anyị egwu ọzọ ka anyị ike chịkọta na ndị mmadụ na-eche gị ọ bụrụ egwu si na ọba egwu ọhụrụ gị na-apụta itinyere anyị
Mba. Ole ka ga-agụrụ nọ?
Ị ga-atụpetụ anyị obere.
Ole ka ga-eyi ụlọ? Waiting God will know if you do. Just don't worry, I have a big surprise for everybody, man. God bless you. I want to record tonight. Let me just give you one song. Oh, that day on your blood, Jesus. Amen. 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 God bless all my fans, man. You guys made me a superstar. More than a man, I wouldn't have blown today, man. God bless you all. Chineke gọziri m ala Igbo. Igbo kwezuonu. BBC kwezuonu. Olee ihe mere m ga-eji kpọọ steshọn unu BBC? Ịmakwa ihe bụ BBC? Nwanyị.
Ama m ihe na-ekwu ihe anyị ma nke anyị British Broadcasting Corporation. Ama azụkwa m ihe ọzọ na-ekwu.
Ajọrọ m question n'isi ajọrọ m BBC British Broadcasting Corporation. Ije agụrụ anyị egwu ngwa biko gụọrọ anyị egwu BBC.
Ibukwa birikọta bibia si ụkwa kọrọ ya niile kọrọ ọkọ. Birikọta ụlọ niile bịa o sikwa kọrọ ya akụkọ. Ọ bụ BBC na
ekwuta ọgụ na mgbasa ozi.
Ọ gị wụ Mrs. onye ya na-akpọ nwaanyị a Madam Chima.
Ọmụwa n'ọkwa m kwuru aha m tupu m bata and ị ga-anụkwa mgbe m ga-ekwuke ya ma tupu m pụọ.
Iwu onye Amerịka?
Mba, awụ nwa afọ. Mgbe gụọrọ anyị gụchaa ya ka anyị ike chịkọta n'oge na-aga.
Ole gị ga-amụ na?
Ekwuta ọgụ.
Pray for them now.
Everybody has this song for BBC.
Na mgbasa ozi gụọrọ ya.
I'm not rehearsing. Jesus Christ.
Aka m na-agụlitere gị ugbu a ekwuta ọgụ na mgbasa ozi BBC. Anyị anaghị anụzikọ ihe na-ekwu ka anyị ji ahụ gị. Anyị anaghị ahụzikwa gị, anyị anaghị anụzikwa olu gị. Ị na-anụ ihe m na-ekwu? Ị na-anụ ihe m na-ekwu?
Hello?
Ị na-anụ ihe m na-ekwu ugbu a?
Okay, yeah.
Gụọrọ m anyị. Gụọrọ anyị ndị mmadụ na-apụzi ka anyị ike chịkọta. Na ọ fọdụrụ nkeji
I love you all. Birikọta wee na-ejikọta ikọna nwunye nwekọta ami bọdagọsi elele ya ikuma moto sinike boko siro nozuma nobody dey make why the thing dey lay ma when you might down to LTVC na fine girl carry your food back so na the love am for river even kolita.
Ọ bụ niile so
ọ dị ka oyi na-atụ gị isi apụgo n'abalị a ị nọ na Amerịka?
Oyi na-atụ n'ụlọ ọrụ anyị.
Ụlọ ọrụ ya big man house.
Oyi na-atụ n'ụlọ ọrụ anyị.
Unu na-try, unu ga-agbalị ọ bụrụgodị one wrap of ihe Chineke kere. You understand? Because God created it. You understand? Just that it had the same spelling with Igbo. That's the problem. How will you get here now? Do not smoke Igbo here. Give it to house. Do not smoke Igbo here.
Bye bye. I don't have to like because bye bye. Bye bye.
Oh Jesus.
Bye bye. Ọ bụ na isonyere anyị ugbu a, onye anyị na-akpara nkata n'abalị a bụ Duncan Mighty. Ọ sị na aha ya bụ Duncan Wene Okechukwu Mighty. Ebe nọ bụ na BBC News Igbo. Anyị nọ na Instagram BBC News Igbo, nọrọ na Facebook BBC News Igbo. Ị ga-ahụkwa anyị na webụsaịtị anyị bụ ọgbakọ anyị bụ www.bbcigbo.com. Aha m bụ Chimma Iheanacho, mụ bụ onye nta akụkọ dị unu na mkparịta ụka nke abalị a. Ka ọ dị mgbe ọzọ anyị ga-akpọtara unu onye anyị na ya ga-akpa nkata wee chịa ma kọọ ihe niile dị mkpa ekwesịrị ịkọ. Daalụnụ maka isonye anyị taa. Ka ọ dị mgbe ọzọ. Kachifo.